Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Can Roulette! My name's Moody.
And I'm Bully, and today we have a very special guest. Here's a clue.
Alright, clue. Welcome to the Quarantina Cantina. Now, the rules are very simple for Tin Can Roulette. You have to select one mystery can, and you have to cook a dish using that as the main ingredient. It's pretty hard, but let's get it done.
Oh, that looks so gross.
So I've got pears. So it's my first time in the Quarantina Cantina and already things are going pear-shaped. Total stitch up. And what do you do when life gives you pears? Pear bolognese! Nah, not really. We've got some milk, got some flour, got some eggs, some raw sugar, pears, and then on the shit that doesn't count, we've got some cinnamon, vanilla essence, and everyone knows butter's just oil. So butter. Well, butter fully. Something. Let's get into it. So what we're gonna do first up, wash your hands. Preheat the oven, about 200 degrees. Wash your hands. Ow.
Alright.
Fuck. Now with any recipe or crisis, you want to take a measured approach. Unlike America. Anyway, to get started, we've got flour. 1/4 cup. Wash your hands. 3 eggs. Wash your hands. 1 cup of whole milk. Sorry to our vegan mates. Wash your hands. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Essence. 1 tablespoon of butter. Melted, so we'll put it in the microwave for a second. Just take it near a 5G tower if you think that'll work. And a pinch of salt. And then, wash your hands. Fuck.
You gotta adjust the, yeah. Turn to the right. Turn to the right.
The fuck is
Just put the lid on. Fuck.
Now we're gonna absolutely mulch it in a blender like a Scott Morrison press conference. Right, now drain the pears. Like being in isolation's drained my energy and overall sense of well-being. Now get yourself an oven tray. Lay your pears on the tray. At least someone's getting laid during this COVID. Make sure they're adequately spaced, significantly less than 1.5 meters apart. And then pour your batter all over your pears. Now we're going to chuck it in the oven for about 25 minutes. That's exactly enough time to get you through 2 fella cootie tracks. Alright. Oh fuck! Fuck. Just realised I didn't oil the pan before I put all the ingredients in there just then. Is it going to work if I pull it out and just put it in something else and then try to put it back in? No, fucked it. There's no way I'm flattening the curve on this one. Shit is gone pear. I'm going to lift it up to the next level just to brown the top off nicely. Yeah, how you been doing? Like, it's pretty lonely in isolation. Yeah, I've been alright. So, I reckon we're about done. Let's give it a look. The moment of truth. Not bad. Looks legit. Alright, we're coming up on some moment of truth shit here.
lot of cinnamon, bro. You know how strong that shit is? I hope you like cinnamon.
I fucked up. So I played Tin Can Roulette, came up with pears, so I cooked myself a pear oven pancake. Now let's just hope the judges don't break my heart.
So it was Clue's first time taking on the Tin Can Roulette challenge. I gotta say I'm pretty impressed by the presentation. The heart shape, that's a nice touch, very emotional. It's very thick for a pancake. A bit more on the cake side than the pancake side, but let's go for the all-important taste test. And I don't think this is cooked. No, it is heart-shaped, but I'm afraid I'm gonna have to break Clue's heart because this is way undercooked. Very eggy. Kind of tastes like eggnog with pear. But you know what? You get extra points for presentation. I was very impressed. The first time, the cinnamon is actually balanced perfectly. So I'm going to give this one a solid 6.5 out of 10.
And that's it, the end of another episode of Tin Can Roulette. What'd you think?
Well, it wasn't undercooked, that's how it's supposed to be.
Hey, I don't even know how you would call that cooked.
Well,
I
look,
needed 20 minutes.
it's an oven pancake, not a regular
Anyway,
pancake.
that's it.
the consistency
Thanks
it's
for
meant to
joining
be.
us, and don't forget...
For sure,